So what we're doing today actually...
Finishing with a bang?
Yeah, we're finishing with a nice bang. We have some VSOP, Saint Remy,
Right.
cognac, right? And nice classic gentleman's drink.
Gentleman's drink.
Because you know when we drink, we like to drink fine drinking.
Yeah.
Right? So I'll get right into it and I'll explain, right, Joe? So we're starting with Remy. And this one is about, say, 1.5 ounces per drink. So going up with, doubling up here. And behind that, we have the sweetener for this drink. And flavor as well is a nice cherry liqueur.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is gonna give it that cherry kind of berry flavor in the cocktail. And I'm just gonna add 1/4 ounce per drink, all right? And behind that, I have here a cigar syrup.
What?
Joe, try it, smell this, smell that.
A cigar syrup?
Cigar syrup. This one,
But
so what I
this-
did now, I chip
feel
up
like
some
that-
cigars and same kind of base for a simple syrup, sugar, water, pieces of cigar. Yeah,
And
let that
extract
boil.
the cigar,
Yeah.
extract the cigar flavor.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Yes.
The guys in Cuba will love this.
Yeah, no. I know,
Right?
but I know some cigar fillers, man. The fillers
Yeah.
who like the cigar or something. Yeah.
So we're gonna go, Joe, with say 1/2 ounce, 1/4
Right.
ounce per drink, right? And behind this, some chocolate bitters.
Some chocolate bitters.
So chocolate as well pairs with these flavors. Some nice dark flavors, all right?
This one flavor. This one's full of like layers of flavor, boy. Yeah.
You will enjoy this one. And that's it for ingredients. And I'm gonna go here and add some ice. And this is now is a stirred cocktail. A lot of classic cocktails with ingredients where you don't have fruits, you don't have a lot of fresh juices. Those are the cocktails where you could stir.
Right.
So what we're gonna do here now as well, take the spoon, place it to the back of the mixing glass, and you're pushing forward with this finger, and then you're pulling back
Pull
with
this
this
one.
finger.
Yeah. I don't
And
work
we
on my
going,
steering.
we're going with this. So we getting some dilution there.
Right.
And you getting chilling the drink as well, because that's important, right? And then you're mixing the ingredients. You're marrying all the flavors together. Yeah. Lovely. So I have my 2 glasses here.
But Ty, before you pour this drink, you've done how many syrups? I mean, you take everything and make a syrup with, but you have infused a lot of flavors into syrups over the years.
I've actually tried like everything we have in Trinidad that could possibly use.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you go out into the forest, or Trinidad, we have bush.
Yeah.
You know?
We do a forest here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bush.
We have bush.
We have bush.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, brother.
So you're going in the bush and like, you know, my dad is from that background. So
Right.
like I would take like certain fruits or leaves that I don't even know. You could use bamboo
Right.
and you could take that.
And
you
extract
make a
flavor
syrup
from
on
that, and
Yeah.
extract
Even if it's
flavor.
not a syrup, you could make it into a shrub or essence
Yeah,
or
yeah,
extract, as you say.
Yeah.
You know, and try those flavors because that's what mixology is about.
Yeah.
You know, but you have to do your research just to make sure the ingredients is not harmful.
Right.
You know, you don't go in the bush and pick anything.
It must be able to be
Yeah.
consumed without any
If you,
fear.
or you go with a bushman who know things.
Right.
Yeah, you know, because they just help you find things.
Right.
You know?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That qualified bushman. In
Yeah,
Trinidad.
they
Qualified
would
bushman.
teach you things that you don't know. Like
Yeah,
Chinese tambran and guti fig, you know?
Guti fig.
Guti fig, yeah. That's a fig where actually
That's what.
it's on the bottom. So normally you would pick it from the top of the tree.
Right.
It's actually around the bottom of a fig-like or a palm-like tree.
Right.
And the fig grows there and the guti goes for it. So that's why it's known as guti fig in Trinidad.
Sound like an education by itself.
Yeah.
Bush education.
It's really small though. It's like almost like silk fig or
Right.
chiquito.
Sikie. It's one of these Sikie.
Yeah. It's really small. So Joe, I don't know if you've seen this nice texture
I am seeing, yeah.
that we gain from the chilled drink here.
Glass-like almost.
Yes.
Yes.
So what this will do is change the viscosity of the liquid.
Right.
Giving it that. So like if you put alcohol in the fridge to freeze like vodka, and when you pour it, you see that viscosity which is different, nice thick.
Right.
All right. So I'm just gonna add like 2 blocks of ice to this. And this is a nice simple drink. All we wanna do is add a nice little spice note as cinnamon over this. little bit. And that lends to the aroma while you go down into the drink and you nose it. Sure?
And the cigar really will have its own
Flavor
Flavor here.
Tobacco flavor you're getting.
wow. Yeah. Cheers, my brother.
Cheers.
Cheers, my brother.
To all the fathers.
Hey.
Respect goes out to them.
Respect goes out. For even I just want to say for the mothers that
Take the role of the father,
hey,
of course.
That's a serious
Yes,
role.
yes.
I know it's been a difficult month, as I said, but I really hope that we've been able to put that smile on people's faces. They can mix a cocktail, try a recipe,
Yes.
and just enjoy time being home.
Being home.
Yeah,
Correct,
yeah. Not everybody, as I said, wants to be home, but this is the time we're living in, and I hope you guys were able to enjoy what we did over the last
So
month.
we've been about fun. We've been about fathers and
Food
food. Yeah.
and drinks.
And drinks.
And
Yeah,
drinks.
and
And drinks. Cheers, guys. So I got the cigar note in the back here. Yeah.
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 Even if you're not a smoker,
Even
you will
if-
pick it
yeah,
up.
You'll pick it up. You'll
Yeah.
pick it up.
That tobacco flavor, and then tobacco in itself has a range of flavors. Chocolate.
Whoa.
Yeah, you name it.
Whoa. Another one, you hit out the park there.
Yeah.
You hit out the park.